5 seconds to go. Start. Court has expanded its purview by including within its sweep the right of an accused to have just, fair and speedy trial. At the same time, this fundamental right would by interpretation also include complainant's right to speedy justice. On the same analogy, it is imperative for the investigating officer to act in accordance with law and in a truthful manner to carry out investigation without any influence. Thus, it is clear that the investigation in an offence being a delicate and important exercise, so it must be conducted fairly with due care, caution and prudence. Needless to observe here that upon registration of FIR, the accused in the alleged offence is not treated as guilty, who is presumed to be innocent till the charges are established by the prosecution. Therefore, it is obligatory for the investigating officer to proceed with the investigation in an impartial and honest manner to collect the evidence in connection with the crime, who is guided by the said material to identify the suspect. In case the sufficient incriminating evidence is collected during investigation, the accused is sent to face the trial along with the final report under section 173(2) CRPC, and on the contrary, if the evidence is not available, the investigating officer is supposed to declare the suspect as innocent. The Code of Criminal Procedure also contains provisions to safeguard and secure the interest rights of the accused at various stages during trial to ensure fair trial and that no prejudice is caused to the accused. Now, turning to the facts and circumstances of the cases in hand, and upon analyzing, this court finds that when investigation in both these FIRs was in progress, the separate representations on behalf of the various accused persons or through their relatives were entertained by senior police officers who ordered simultaneous inquiries to examine their innocence only. The inquiry officers, upon conclusion of the inquiries, submitted their reports in favor of accused applicants, and that too without even examining the final report under section 173(2) CRPC. The inquiry reports were subsequently decorated as supplementary reports under section 173(8) CRPC and were placed before the trial court. In this way, the trial courts in both these cases are seized of two conflicting conclusions of investigation and inquiry carried by different functionaries of state police. At this stage, it would be appropriate to examine the instructions annexure R2 relied upon by the Director General of Police Punjab in his affidavit dated 4th May 2017 to justify the above said manner of inquiries, and the same is reproduced below. Please refer to the notification number 5 dated 15th October 2015 issued by Department of Home Affairs and Justice, Punjab, and for separation of investigation from law and order functions in Punjab Police. Detailed instructions on conduction of preliminary inquiries and procedure to deal with complaints representations received in registered cases are to be issued as per the above said notification for separation of investigation from law and order functions in Punjab Police, which came into force with effect from 15th October 2015. The detailed instructions on conduction of preliminary inquiries and procedure to deal with complaints representations received in registered cases are as under. It has also been particularly mentioned that no officer other than aforementioned shall order any preliminary inquiry. It is clarified that the above said officers can order preliminary inquiries on the complaints pertaining to their area of jurisdiction or charter of duties only. It has also been mentioned in the notification that the record of all preliminary inquiries ordered pertaining to any particular district unit should be maintained in the office of SSP concerned. The relevant portion of the notification is reproduced below. The district level register maintained in the office of SSP DCP shall have record of all Ps being conducted in the unit. Officers superior to the SSP DCP should send the PEs ordered by them to the office of SSP DCP for entry into the district level register before it is entrusted to any specific officer to inquiry. Similarly, intimation of Ps ordered at the police station. Stop.